Hey, let me show you how you can fix connection issues of your Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones. So it's gonna work for all of your TV, consoles and smartphones. So first of all, just make sure that you turn off your headphones like so. There we go. And now when they are turned off, you have to use two buttons combination. You have to click and hold the noise cancellation / ambient button and the power key. So let's do this at the same time. Click and hold them. And now just wait until that small indicator between both buttons starts blinking. And we have to keep holding all the time. There we go. And now release. So we just basically perform the factory reset, and it's fixing a lot of issues with those headphones. Now, when you click and hold the power key, your headphones will enter for the pairing mode automatically. So once it actually starts blinking, you can just simply release. And you can just simply go and pair your device one more time. If it is still not working for some reason, you can switch off and then switch on Bluetooth on your device, or you can also switch off and switch on your device. I know it's like super simple tip, but trust me, it is working a lot of times. And additionally, you can try to update software of your device. So if I'm using Nintendo Switch 2nd generation, I will have to be connected to the internet and simply search for the new update. And that's basically it. Let me know if it works.